Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So before we dive into the beauty deals, we're going to talk really quickly about the buy two, get two for free over at Walgreens. A little dealio that a lot of us were scoring, nuts, trail mix, that sort of stuff for free. It is in fact dead. I posted it on my Instagram community page and then pinned it to the top of the video. So hopefully you don't run out and do that deal. It will not work. You will end up paying full price. And yeah, so it was fun while it lasted. And that's it on that. I'm not going to comment anymore. Okay, so we're going to talk about this 7,000 points when you spend 25. This is valid from the 17th to the 19th. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday. In some larger markets, it's only a Friday, Saturday sale. So you'll have to really pay attention when you're in the store. Or if they have the actual paper at the beauty counter, which are these little cards, you're going to have to look because I've seen the dates augmented like in larger cities to the 18th to 19th. So really pay attention to that. And you will find this either at the beauty counter or some stores will let you do a screenshot. Some stores will not. And you probably know if your store is strict or not. And there's also this 10 times when you spend 20, and typically with boosters, it's one paper, one digital. Because this one is a everyday booster, it will in fact stack with it. So make sure that you have the two digitals and then the one paper for these deals for the biggest savings. If you only have two, it'll be $9 of savings. If you have both, it's $16. Okay, to go through some ground rules again, the event is from Thursday to Saturday for most of us, which is the 17th to 19th. If you're living in a bigger city, it might just be a 2-day sale. So please pay attention, especially if they have those cards out. You got to get to $25 of beauty merch. Scan the 7,000 paper, have the 7,000 loaded to your store card, plus the digital 10 times loaded to your store card. So if you have all three of those, it's 16,000 points on a $25 basket. And if you only have one of the 7,000, it'll be a 9,000 return on investment on a $25 basket. It is okay to use register rewards or manufacturer coupons to lower your basket so you're not paying that $25 on the nose. If you have Walgreens coupons, also known as IVCs, or if you wish to use points, don't use either one or you will not get your boosters back. So just to note that, and not negotiable with the deals that I have presented for you today. Now, if you might have one of these that popped out of the Catalina machine, yes, you can use that. Remember, one paper, one digital booster. So this is totally acceptable. It's sometimes some stores print them out, which is 7,000 when you spend 20 or 25 on the beauty products. And then alternatively, if you just have like a regular booster like this one I got last week, which was 5,000 when you spend 20. Yes, you can stack that with the 7,000 when you spend 25 digitally, along with the 10 times every day, just to answer those two questions really quickly. Now, if I was a newbie, just got my Walgreens card yesterday, I'm not really sure about what I'm doing. These deals are quite involved. There's a lot of steps, and if you forget the smallest thing, you're kind of out of luck. So if I was really new to this, I would just take a big old pass. You can watch the video, but if it's way over your head, I would skip it. Unless you're a super student, then by all means do it. But if I was really new to this, I would pass. And for a lot of you who are like, well, what is included in the Beauty Enthusiast program? It's all listed here. If it's not on the list, it is not included, including shaving goods, dental, deodorant. Not part of it because it's not on the list. Please pause this part and read about it, or go to the website if you would like to, look at the full write-up on the Beauty Club. Okay, so the first deal that I have for you is 100% digital. You're going to need your 7,000 paper, 7,000 digital, and the 10 times every day at your fingertips for this deal. So the first item that we're going to grab is 2 of the Old Spice body washes. As you can see, they're 2 for $11. Now, I know that a lot of these products have been part of a buy 4, get a $4 register reward. So I'm hoping this is in fact part of it. So we'll have to wait and see, yay or nay if it's in fact included. Now, earlier in the month, if you still might have this guy, there is this really weird coupon, which is $5.49 off of 2. So it's either the dry sprays or the body washes, but we're grabbing 2 body washes. So yes, this will work with it. And then to our basket, we're also going to add 2 OLAY body washes. They also have the bar soap. I know a lot of you are fans of bar soap, so this will be your opportunity. It's 2 for $12, and as you can see, this guy is tagged buy 4, get that $4 register reward. So we're going to factor it in 2 different ways, if it prints or if it does not print. And then this wonderful 2 off of 2 showed up earlier in the month. As you can see, it expires at the end of the month, so hopefully you have it. And then to round our basket to 25, we're going to grab one of these little Walgreens body washes for $2 on the nose. I found it right at the front of the store, so you probably can find it pretty easily. So looking at the math, guys, here it is. 2 of the Old Spice body washes for $11, 2 OLAY body washes for $12, and then 1 Walgreens body wash for $2. The total for this basket right here is $25. At this point, you're getting the cashier to scan the 7,000 when you spend 25 paper booster or screenshot or whatever you might have. Also have the digital loaded to your store card with your 10 times every day. Now remember, we have $7.49 of digital manufacturers loaded to our store card. $5.49 for the Old Spice body wash and a 2 off of 2 for the OLAY. You're left with paying $17.51 cash out of pocket. This excludes your tax. You're getting back 14,000 points for the 2 beauty boosters, 2,000 for that 10 times every day. It makes it $1.51 for the 4 or 37 cents per body wash. Now, if that $4 register reward when you buy 4 prints for you, this will be like a $2 and some change money maker and a much better deal. And this is the sort of thing we're going to have to wait until Thursday morning to see if it works or not. And this one I will try, and I'll let you guys know my findings. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to be doing is a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Not negotiable. You need the following boosters loaded to get the max savings. That include the digital 7,000 when you spend 25. So the digital for this one, the paper counterpart that you can find at your beauty counter, use a screenshot, or it might come out of the Catalina machine, one of those 3. And then this 10 times every day digital, please have that guy loaded to your store card. Okay, so we're going to grab 2 of the Garnier Whole Blends. They are 2 for $7. We have a 3 off of 2 digital for that. No IVC for that guy. L'Oreal Elvive is 2 for $8. $1 off 2 IVC plus a 3 off of 2 digital. Okay, so taking a look at this is the IVC right here, which is $1 off 2. And then this is the manufacturer, which is the 3 off 2. If you look at the bottom, it says manufacturer coupon, bottom left-hand side. Bottom left-hand side manufacturer. This is a 3 off of 2 for the Garnier Whole Blends. So please make sure you have that loaded. We're also grabbing 2 of the $2.99 Garnier Fructis shampoos. And then this 3 off of 2 coupon is in fact attaching to those shampoos. And then the final item that we're going to grab to round off our basket to 25 is one of the Revlon Lip Products for $8. So I just found this one online. And then we have this $8 off your next purchase. So how wonderful is that? So hopefully you have this paper coupon for this little dealio. Okay, so 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoos, that's $8 on the nose. 2 Garnier Whole Blends, that's $7. 2 of the Fructis shampoos for $2.99 a pop is $5.98. And then 1 Revlon lip product for $8.09. So the total for all of this magic is $29.07. At this point, you get the cashier to scan the $1 off 2 IVC. So your new total is $28.07. At this point, get the cashier to scan your paper booster, $7,000 when you spend $25 on beauty, along with handing over 1 $8 Revlon coupon. You have your $7,000 when you spend $25 digital loaded, along with the 10 times every day. And then we also have $9 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $11.07 cash out of pocket. This does not include your tax. You're getting back $14,000 for beauty, $2,000 for your 10 times every day. So that's basically $16 right there. So it makes this little basket free plus a $4.93 moneymaker. Remember, you must pay cash for the balance for this one, but I know a lot of you want your L'Oreal Elvive and the other fancy dancy. So this is just a little fancy basket of stuff for free. Okay, the next deal that we have, this involves some Revlon. So we're going to need the digital booster, of course, loaded to our store card, along with the paper counterpart, and then plus this digital 10 times loaded to our store card. So if you look here, the Revlon Face Primer $12.99, buy two, get the third for free promotion. So two of them will ring up for the cost, and then one will be completely free. It will not track towards your balance, but it's still over $25 right there. We're going to need two of these, which is an $8 off. This was printing out of the Catalina machine for the last 2 weeks whenever you bought any Revlon products. So hopefully you have a couple of them for this little dealio. Grabbing three of them, remember one of them will be for free. So that's a price point of $25.98. And I'm going with products that are $12.99 a pop. So your total right here is $25.98. Get the cashier to scan your $7,000 when you spend $25. The digitals that are also loaded are the $7,000 when you spend $25, and then the 10 times every day, the two digitals. You're going to hand over two of those $8 coupons, subtracting $16 right there. You're left with paying $9.98 cash out of pocket. Plus your tax, you're getting back $14,000 for the beauty boosters, $2,000 for 10 times every day, making your basket free plus a $6.02 money maker. Please pay cash for your balance for this one to receive all of your points. And be curious if you can use a coupon on a free item. The answer to that is no, and it's actually in their policy that you're not supposed to use coupons on free items. Okay, so the final deal that we're going to talk about is with Axe. So we're going to need this booster, which is $7,000 when you spend $25. The digital, please have that guy loaded to your store card. Along with, we're going to need the paper counterpart, which is this one. So beauty counter, screenshot, Catalina, whatever you might have, one of those. And then your 10 times digital when you spend $20, have that guy loaded to your store card. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to grab is 6 Axe body washes for $3.99 a pop. So 6 of them. Looking at this tag here, $5 register reward when you buy $20 or more in Axe products, and it's selected Axe products, and there it is tagged. So yeah, how cool is that? And then we're also going to be grabbing one of the Walgreens brand body washes to get our balance right to $25. Okay guys, so this one again is for a little bit more experienced shoppers because there's a lot going on here. So 6 of the Axe body washes for $23.94. 1 Walgreens body wash for $2. So your total is $25.94. You get the cashier to scan your $7,000 when you spend $25. Have the $7,000 when you spend $25 digitally loaded, along with your 10 times every day loaded as well. You're left with paying $25.94 cash out of pocket. That's a lot. Full admission, that's a lot. You're getting back $14,000 for the beauty boosters, $2,000 for your everyday, plus a $5 register reward. And then there's a 75-cent rebate to IBOTTA for the Axe body wash that you can do up to 3 times. So that's $225 back, making it $270 for the 7 body washes, or 38 cents each. Pay cash for this deal. And then just to show you, this is what the IBOTTA rebate looks like. And even though it says Rite Aid, it's in fact working over at Walgreens. And my limit for this was 3, and my rebate was 75 cents. If your rebate might be a little bit higher, absolutely go for it. And I believe the shampoo is not included with this, but you might want to check or use the IBOTTA app to scan in the store. My worry is that you get a mix of body wash and shampoo. Perhaps that $5 register reward will not print, but if it's tagged at your store, that might be a completely different story. Now, if you might have a couple of these register rewards floating around, I know that a lot of us were doing the Crest and Colgate deals earlier in the week. So if you might have 2 $5 register rewards, let's look at that last deal again in a different way. So very similar, grabbing 6 of the body washes for $23.94. And then that Walgreens body wash for a total of $25.94. Get the cashier to scan your $7,000 when you spend $25. Have the digital loaded along with the 10 times every day. At this point, hand over 2 $5 register rewards, 1 for the Crest, 1 for the Colgate. Your new total is $15.94. You have to pay cash out of pocket. Hey, it's a lot better than $25. And then you're getting back $14 for beauty, $2,000 for the booster, that $5 register reward, plus the IBOTTA $225 rebates. So we're looking at, you're really taking your register rewards from last week, throwing it into another deal with a lot of points and another $5 register reward. So like $7.31 moneymaker, not the worst deal. Obviously pay cash for this one as well. If you're a very nervous shopper, wait for me. I will post something probably Thursday afternoon of my findings, how things are working out. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.